What's up guys, I'm back with another vlog. Today's vlog is all about a request from one of my subscriber about the fender, the SX 250 fender from KTM. How I got it installed, what are its benefits, and how to get it fixed on the bike. So is it worth buying it, and what will be the cost? Now honestly, the price of this cost of this fender, when I purchased it, it was around 3,500. Now the current price, I'm not sure exactly. I will show you on the video what are the exact price right now of this fender. But yeah, this is worth buying, and it actually changes the look of the bike. So let's get on to it. The reason why I went with this fender is because it actually changes the look of the bike, and is it gives you more of the big bike looks, like the 890 Adventure or the 790 Adventure Rally. And it is not a cosmetic change, however it does protect with a lot of things, especially the radiator with if you see, it protects from all the debris and from the excess mud during the rainy season, and it actually makes the bike look more big than the stock version. Now there are different types of mud guards available online with different dealers. You get this SX 250 KTM fender and the Polisport fender. Now also you get the fender attachments. Basically I'm talking about the bracket, different type of brackets available, and it also made according to the bikes as well. You can check it out on different websites, like the Bandito's website and the Custom Elements. They also have all these kinds of fender. Now in order to install this fender, the the SX 250 KTM fender, you need to install it on the lower T of the Adventure, because there is no other point where you can attach it. So you need to remove these two bolts and install the bracket over here. There are 2 points over here and the other 2 points are here. So and it doesn't cause any problem. So there's a slight bit of a gap, so in order to turn your handle, you don't need any you will not actually feel any kind of problem, and even on the bumps as well. Now the only obstruction is the stock mudguard. You need to chop it off, because as soon as you hit the bump and or you apply brakes, the fender over here touches the actual stock mudguard. So you need to chop it off or get this removed. So what I did was I had to chop it off, because I wanted to keep this part to protect the suspension from extra mud and dirt during the rainy season, to protect the seal over here. Now when I purchased this fender from Bandito's, I was not being provided with this bracket. I'll not be able to remove it as of right now, because I don't have certain tools in order to remove this bracket. But let me tell you, this bracket was custom designed by Ground Design, and I got it designed within 2 days and got this fitted on my KTM 390 Adventure. So the front fender comes with 4 different types of holes, 2 over here, 1 and the second one over here, and 2 at the bottom, as you can see, 1 here and the other one over there. So guys, if you liked my video, please do subscribe to the channel and share your comments, and I'll be seeing you on the next vlog. Bye for now.